Yes. So today is our activity day, Friday activity. So what are we doing today? We are doing the pasting the pictures of the sense organs at their correct places. Okay. What we required for this, things we required for this is you have to draw a face, or you can either take out the printout. This you have to do, you can draw it, or either you can take out the printout. After this, you have to draw the sense organs, the 5 sense organs we have already done in class, that you have to do. Okay. You can either draw it or just take out the printout. After this, what materials required for this are pencil and eraser, our Fevistick, sharpener, eraser, and crayon. So these are the materials. See, I have already taken out a printout like this. If you are not having printout, you can draw this face also. Any face which is easier for you, you can draw. Okay. I have taken out the printout of the face and our 5 sense organs. Or you can start drawing if you're not having the printout. Now, first of all, what we are going to do, we are going to color this girl in the beautiful color. Okay, ready? Are you ready with your crayon? So let's start with the coloring part. After that, we are going to paste the sense organ. Okay. So this is the girl. We are going to start coloring her hair first. You can use either brown color or you can use the black color. But before that, you have to put classwork on top like this and put today's date. That is 9 April. Okay. Like this you have to do. Now start coloring her hair. I am using the black crayon. You can either use brown or black. Start coloring her hair like this. This side now. Take your time, do it properly and neatly. And you have to do it, okay? You can just take the help of your mama, but you have to do it. Do it properly and neatly. Small strokes you have to make, small lines. Do it yourself, everyone. We are doing just coloring part. That is very easy. You can do it yourself. And I can see everyone is doing wonderful job. So I have done color in the hair. Now I'm going to color her bow now. So I'm going to use this red crayon. You can use your favorite colors, okay? You can use any color. And in between this, I'm going to use the pink color. You can use your favorite color. Now for her dress, I'm using the orange crayon. You can use any color. Yes. Now here I'm filling the circles with the dark blue crayon. Do it, do it, do it, everyone. Very good. And the rest white part, I'm going to fill the light blue color. You can use your favorite colors to fill the colors. Like this. So this is done. Now I'm going to color the body part. Okay. So I am using the peach or skin color for coloring the body part. First, I'm going to color the ears like this. Another one. Nose also, same color. In lips, I'm filling the red crayon. Do it, do it, do it. For eyes, I'm doing blue color. So once you're done with the coloring part, please let me know so that we can continue with. I hope everyone is doing very well done. Very good. Do it, everyone. Very good. Okay. Now the next thing is we are going to cut these sense organs. Okay. Now start cutting, but for this you need mama's help. You are not allowed to use the scissors. So this part, mama is going to help in this. Okay. So tell your mama to help you in cutting all these sense organs. Tell mama, please mama, help me in cutting these sense organs. Because you're too small now to cut, to use scissors. Start cutting. I have done with my cutting part. So I have cut all the body parts. I hope you have also done it. So now we are going to use the Fevistick and we are going to paste the part, the sense organs at its right place. So let's see how you are going to do it. So these are the sense organ which is ready. So now, okay, eyes. You have to place the eye at the correct place. Is this the correct place? Am I pasting the correct at its correct place or not?
Yes,
or should I paste it here? No, this is not correct. I'm going to paste it here. So you have to apply the Fevistick and paste. Apply Fevistick and paste. After this, we are going to put our nose. Nose, right place or not? Should I paste it here?
No.
This is the correct place. So I am going to put nose this correct place. Okay. So what you have to do? You have to apply the Fevistick and the paste. Very easy. After that, lips. Yes. So you have to paste it here. You can also draw tongue if you want, because tongue is the sense of, like this you can draw. Next is ears. So I'm going to paste ears. Here. Second here. And the last one is the hands. You're going to put hands over here. So now, can you all please the five? Can you all name the five sense organs? Eyes. Repeat. Nose. Ears. Tongue. And hands or skin. We see with our eyes. Repeat. We hear with our ears. We smell with our nose. We taste with our tongue. And we touch and feel with our hands or skin. So 3. Ready? 3, 2, and 1. Please show your activity. Show. Very good. Very good. Well done. Well done, everyone. Well done. Very good. Everyone has done a great job. Very good. So now this you have to paste it in your scrapbook. Keep it safe. Okay. So this is all for now. This class. See you in the next class. Bye, everyone. Have a great day.